Adventitious breath sounds. Stridor. Stridor is a continuous, high-pitched, crowing sound heard predominantly on inspiration. The cause of the sound is generally the partial obstruction of the larynx or trachea. Stridor may be heard in conditions such as croup and foreign body obstruction. It's typically loudest over the anterior neck as air moves turbulently over a partially obstructed upper airway. Wheeze. The sound of a wheeze is a high-pitched, continuous musical sound. This is caused by air passing through an obstructed, narrow airway. The classic wheeze may be referred to as a sibilant wheeze. This refers to the high-pitched whistle-like sound. Alternatively, what we often refer to as rhonchi is the sonorous wheeze, which refers to a deep, low-pitched rumbling or coarse sound as air moves through tracheal bronchial passages in the presence of mucus or respiratory secretions. It is commonly heard in the lungs during expiration. It may be heard in asthma, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis. Crackles. Crackles are also known as alveolar rales. The sound crackles create a fine, short, high-pitched, intermittent crackling sounds. The cause of crackles can be from air passing through fluid, pus, or mucus. It is commonly heard in the basis of the lung lobes during inspiration. Crackles can be further categorized as coarse or fine. Coarse crackle sound quality is low-pitched and moist. It may be heard in pulmonary edema and bronchitis. Fine crackle sound quality is like hair rubbing near the ear and may be heard in congestive heart failure and pulmonary fibrosis. Pleural rub. The pleural rub sound results from the movement of inflamed pleural surfaces against one another during chest wall movement. The sound quality is considered a harsh grating or creaking. Potential causes include tuberculosis and pneumonia. It is best heard in the lower anterior lungs and lateral chest during both inspiration and expiration. To learn more, subscribe and visit ausmed.com.au.